Traveling is a thrilling experience that takes you to new places and lets you discover the world. But to make the most of every adventure, you need the right travel gear. In this video, we will guide you through the most essential travel gear for every adventure. Let's begin with the basics: your luggage. Invest in a durable, lightweight suitcase with wheels for easy mobility. Backpacks with multiple compartments are also great for those who prefer to keep their hands free while exploring. Your comfort should be a priority, especially during long journeys. A travel pillow, an eye mask, and earplugs are must-haves. These items will help you sleep comfortably, even in cramped spaces, ensuring you are well rested for your adventures. Next, pack a travel towel. It's not just for drying off at the beach or after a swim. A travel towel is compact, quick-drying, and can double as a blanket or a pillow in a pinch. Hydration is key. That's why a reusable water bottle is crucial. Choose one that's insulated to keep your drinks cold or hot. Plus, it's a sustainable choice that reduces plastic waste. Don't forget to carry versatile clothing items. Pack clothes that are lightweight, wrinkle-resistant, and can be mixed and matched. This will help you pack less and still have plenty of outfit options. A good pair of shoes can make or break your trip. Choose footwear that's comfortable, durable, and suitable for various terrains. Whether you're hiking or exploring the city, your feet will thank you. Always carry a first aid kit for unexpected emergencies. Include essentials like Band-Aids, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and any personal medication. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Remember to pack travel-sized toiletries. They save space and comply with airport security regulations. These should include basics like shampoo, conditioner, toothpaste, and body wash. Stay connected with a portable power bank. It's a lifesaver when your devices run out of battery. Choose one with high capacity to ensure your phone, camera, or other gadgets keep going. A multi-purpose tool is an adventurer's best friend. With a variety of uses, this compact item can help with everything from opening bottles to fixing broken gear. An important item to include is a travel adapter. Different countries have different plug types and voltages, so having a universal adapter will ensure you can charge your devices anywhere. Protect your important documents with a travel wallet. It's a secure place to store your passport, ID, credit cards, and cash. Some even come with RFID blocking technology for added security. Last but not least, a quality sleeping bag can be vital for camping trips. Choose one that's compact, lightweight, but still offers warmth and comfort. Travel gear goes beyond just packing for a trip. It's about preparing for all possible situations and ensuring your journey is as smooth as possible. Remember, the right gear can make your travel experiences more enriching. Pack smart and enjoy every adventure. So that's our guide to essential travel gear for every adventure. We hope this video helps you pack right and travel light. Happy travels!